by now, they feel pain, they feel say they stab you for chest, they feel like say something no dey right, then go check yourself, be good person. Because of the whole thing where they happen now. See the kind katakata where they happen now. Yorubas, they fight Igbos. Just this early this morning for Abulado, inside Amu Otofin local government. 9 Yorubas go to attack Igbos. Now, the whole fight now, we don't leave the major issue where be bad road, bad governance, no cash deal, fuel over day. The whole major thing where APC government don't put us, we don't leave her now, we don't fight ourselves. We don't leave the major issue, they fight ourselves. The painful part we say the people they promote this hatred thing. Now people we suppose the respect. If I one of them buy your Ononuga. Now a respected journalist, a Christian. I don't want to mention the name of the church. He's a respected Christian, one of the biggest churches in Nigeria. In fact, they hear saying a pastor too. Now the promoters of this hatred, this tribal hate. You understand? Now, one of the things we say, I don't understand. Why don't you calculate this thing where we say for Lagos, the 3 major candidates are Yoruba. Sanwo-Olu na Yoruba. Jadon na Yoruba. Jaruvi na Yoruba. How Igbos people can't enter on a matter? How? Because me, I don't understand how Igbos can't enter the fight. No be like say any Igbo person did the ballot for Lagos. We know any Igbo person. But we still somehow they go find a way bring out Igbo people saying that they do. How? Now, see the major thing, the people who don't do this enough, this divide and conquer, this is one of the oldest way to use win battle, strategies to use win battle in the oldest time, right from the Roman Empire, divide and conquer. Now, the same way all these politicians, they do. Now, they don't control that seed of hatred. We don't fight ourselves. We don't forget the main issues. We don't forget say no cash deal. We don't forget say CBN don't use all the places. We don't forget say a lot of people die from this cash policy. We don't forget a lot of people die because of fuel scarcity. We don't forget say a lot of people die where government kill for Lekki Toll Gate. We don't forget say no money there. We don't forget the high inflation. We don't forget the major things. We don't fight ourselves. Now these people now where they cause us to fight ourselves now. All of them now get visa. When this country begin born, you go see the fear they go fly, leave you where won't kill yourself on top matter. We know we no be your matter. Now all of them that all they strategize how they take over this country, how they will take lead, take which office, who go take office A, who go take office B. They don't they share them already. Now you when they fight, they kill yourself, they kill your brothers because of one idiot politician. You nothing where you go get nothing until another 4 years. Nothing where you go get. You won't kill yourself. The pain why they feel be say now the youth, young people, now they used to do this thing. Young people. Yet, ASU don't they strike? How many years? Nobody. Now they don't remove their mind from the major reason why they won't vote before. They can't use tribe enter. They don't divide us now, conquer us. They don't sit down one place now. You never see any politician we meet themselves for road, won't kill themselves. No be hug, all of them, they hug themselves, they shake, they laugh together. Anytime when we come meet ourselves as for supporters, we won't choke ourselves now, we won't kill ourselves. All these people now, none of them hate themselves. Politics is only interest, is just for their interest. That's the only thing. It's for personal interest. You now we you won't kill. Who do you? When we get sense, make we get sense for this country. When we get sense, nobody go make this country well for us. Nobody. And to come to top it all, so I go say Igbos no dey tribalistic. I'm not saying it because I'm an Igbo boy. I'm not saying it at all. I go give you an instance. When I was a manager at the water factory where my sister get Igbo for Ikorodu here, all the workers na Yorubas, everybody na Yoruba. Now only me be the Igbo person. Where they there? Now my sister company, but everybody na Yoruba. My own work, why they do now as a media person, as an entertainer, almost everybody way I they work with, right from my video director and everybody, all of them are Yorubas. So if they come, they tell me say Igbos are tribalistic, then I really want to understand. I know some men who I don't work with, or for we get hotels and lounge, and almost all their staffs are Yorubas, like different tribes, we no be Igbos. In fact, you go hear an Igbo person say, I don't want to work with this person because an Igbo person. Make I work with it. Now Igbo people go to hear those kinds of things for their mouth. So how come Wey they can't say Igbo person, Igbo people dey tribalistic. How? Because for the first time, this election, what shock me be say, since this democracy start, no Igbo person don't ever stay for ballot box paper before, like really be a top candidate before. In fact, one of the people wey for don be a top candidate na Ojukwu in 2023. Ojukwu came outside, and if you know Igbo people, we no use Ojukwu dey play. E be like our god sef for East, but he never won a state. He never won a state in the East. But we voted for Obasanjo, voted for Yaradua, voted for Goodluck Jonathan, voted for Buhari. Now, for the first time, an Igbo came out at the ballot, no be with garagara, he just came out and everybody loved him. Because he's an Igbo man, everybody begin attack him. So obedient, this obedient na tribal something, na tribal because different names was given, labeled to this particular man. And now the hate has gone again and started again over hate against the Igbos. It's really painful. It's really painful. And it did painful. Say we they try one, our country don't almost break off, and we they try one gum the small unity or bring ourselves together. These politicians still use this tribal thing just to win election. Now when this don't happen, and as it don't happen like this, not them. Now them go they enjoy. Why they go this that one place they laugh us? We will be fools. May God help us in Jesus' name.